Alright guys, we're going to get started here in just a second. I've got a couple of coin rings to work on. We've got a 2020 Hawaii Bats quarter, and we've got two 2021 Washington crossing the Delaware 2021. So we're going to start with the bat quarter. If you guys wouldn't mind tapping the screen, getting me a couple likes so we can get started. We're going to go ahead and punch a hole in the center of this quarter. And if you've never seen me before, I'm Coin Ring Maker. I turn coins into rings. And if at any time during this live you'd like to check out some of the stuff I make, I'm going to add a link for that right now. And go ahead and pin that so you can find my shop right there. Oh, we got like 400 people in here. Awesome. Y'all go ahead and drop me a follow if you haven't yet. I sure would appreciate it. Here's our cute little bat center punch. I'm just knocking stuff over. Oh. I should probably clean up a little bit before I hop on live. I got crap all over the place. That's alright, we'll keep going. Yeah, follow. A bunch of people following. Thank you. Yeah, I've got a Jason's Work punch and die kit, but for quarters, this thing is so quick and easy. I really like it. If you'd like to check it out, it's on my recommended tool list at coinringmaker.com. What's going on, Splash? Turtle in the house. Currently working on a 2020 bat quarter. Like I said, I've just got crap everywhere. Yeah, welcome to the live. We're just cleaning up those cut edges real quick with this deburring tool. Making it nice and smooth in there. I'll hop over here and start folding it. And if we can get, let's set the goal at 500. We can get... Okay, I'll have to hop back on here in just a second, guys. Go ahead and follow me. I will be live in just a second.